Hello everyone, this is video for grade 3 subject maths. In this video, we are going to discuss from the textbook page number 23. We are going to discuss. So let's start. Okay, in this portion, first we are going to see what is given here. Okay, so this is the jungle shop. Lazy Crazy gives things only in packets of tens, hundreds and loose items. अब इसमें क्या है कि हमने जैसे प्लेस वैल्यू वी हैव लर्न ना that method is you need to apply here. Tens, hundreds and loose items. वैसे ही हमने जैसे टेबल बनाया था प्लेस वैल्यू का like that this is 100 place, this is tens place and this is ones place. What you need to do is you just need to put the digit on their places. Likewise, you can see the 0 is on ones place, 1 is on tens place and 2 is on 100 place. So first of all 0 is on ones place. So you write 0 here. Now talking about the 1 is on tens place. So you just need to write 1 here and 2 is on 100 place. So you just need to write 2 in this blank. Now talking about 242. Monkey has 242. So again, we will write like here. The 2 is on 100 place. Then 4 is on tens place and 2 is on ones place. Simple. What you need to do is you just need to identify the places and put the digits on their places. Okay, now talking about the 552. Okay, now 5 is on 100 place. Then again 5 is on tens place and talking about 2 is on ones place. So you just put 2 here. And this is all about the solutions of your page number 23. This is very simple. You just need to identify the places of given digits and find out the places and put the digit on their particular places. This is ones place, tens place and 100 place. 210. So 0 is on ones place, but 1 is on tens place and 2 is on 100 place. Simple, you just need to do that thing only. Okay, now talking about the 24 page, which is some students find out that is difficult. So let's find out. Let's solve this problem. Okay, chalo. Okay, now let's see what is given here. Lazy Crazy also has a crazy way of taking money. He takes only in 100 rupees note, 10 rupee note and 1 rupee coin. Now find out how they will pay him for what they have taken. अब इसको क्या करना है? Same method you need to apply. First of all, you need to identify the place. Okay, so yes, elephant have 420 rupees. So let's write down the 420 rupees elephant have. Okay, so I write down 420 rupees. Okay, now what you need to do is find out the place value. Okay, so 0 is on ones place. Okay, now talking about the 2. 2 is on tens place. Okay. Here, tens place. Now 4 is on 100 place. So we will write hundreds here. Okay, so 100 place, tens place and ones place. First of all, you need to make a chart of that places. Now write down. अब उसको क्या करना है? Write करना है कि 100 के प्लेस पे जो 4 है वो किससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा, 100 से. तो यू जस्ट नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई विथ 100. यहाँ पे 100 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, यहाँ पे 10 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, और दिस इज 1. Okay, now talking about the 1 rupee note, 100 rupees note and 1 rupee coin. Okay, 100 rupees का यहाँ पे नोट है, यहाँ पे 10 rupees का नोट है, और यहाँ पे 1 rupee का कॉइन है. What you need to do is, how many notes you need to make a 400 rupees? तो कितनी नोट्स लगेंगी, 4 नोट. यहाँ पे 100 के प्लेस पे कितना है, 4. तो 4 times you need to write 100. So कैसे लिखेंगे, let's start. Okay, 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. कितने टाइम हमने 100 लिखा, 4 टाइम्स, बिकॉज 4 इज ऑन 100 प्लेस. इसीलिए हमने कैसे लिखा था, 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. 100 4 times 100. Now talking about tens place. Tens place पे कौन है, 2. 2 is on tens place. Now what you need to do is you need to write down 2 times. 2 times 10 you need to add. So again plus 10 plus 10. 2 times add 10, and this is became 420. 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. 4 times 100, that will 400, and 10 times. Sorry, 2 times 10, because 2 is on tens place. So that's why 100 plus 100, and that will become 420. This is the method how you going to write down in your textbook. अभी ये समझ में आया, then आपको क्या करना है, यहीं से yes, this place what you need to do is write down that answer. कैसे फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, let's start. Okay, 4 times 100 plus 100. 2 times 10, and that is your answer. You just need to simple write down these answers. हमें उसके प्लेसेस को ऐसे फॉर्म में लिखना है. आप उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हो, 4 को 4 is on 100 place, तो 4 टाइम you need to write down 100. 2 is on tens place, इसलिए 2 टाइम हमने क्या लिखा, tens place. 0 ones के प्लेस पे, इसलिए 0 टाइम 1 coin. Okay, now talking about 143. Again, okay, 143, what you need to do is 143. Okay, now identify the places. 3 is on ones place. 3 is on ones place. Then 4 is on tens place, and 1 is on 100 place. Okay, अब मैं इसको अलग पेज देती हूँ. Yes. Okay, now what you need to do is, अब हमने places तो identify कर ली. We just identify the places. Now 100 कितने times लिखना है, 1 time. So you just need to 1 time write down 100. Now talking about 4 times tens, because tens के place पे क्या है, 4. 4 is on tens place, so you need to write 4 times 10. Add 4 times 10. 10. Okay, so this is 140 हो गया. When you add 140, that is become 140. Now what you need to do, 1 को कितनी बार add करोगे, 3 times, because 3 is on ones place. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that is your answer. And this is your answer. Here आप क्या लिखोगे, this answer you need to write. सिंपल आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है प्लेसेस, और उस टाइम पे ही लिख देना है, that is value. 100 time 100 is only 1 time, because 1 is on 100 place. Then 4 times 10, because 4 is on tens place, and 3 times 1, because 3 is on ones place. Now talking about 243. Again we will start this. Okay, यहीं पे हम solve करते हैं. 2 is on ones place, तो हम 1 को सिर्फ एक ही बार ऐड करेंगे. Then talking about 4 is on tens place, पर 4 है तो we need to add 10 for 4 times. आप 4 times 10 को ऐड करोगे. Now talking about 2 is on 100 place, तो 2 times you need to add 100. आप क्या करोगे? Yes, 100 plus 100, 2 times 100 done. Then talking about 10, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and 4 time. Now talking about 2 times 1, so plus 1, and that is your answer. Okay. Now third one में only 55. Here is 2 places here. 2 places are here, ones place and tens place. So 5 times 10 and 5 times 1. So 10 plus 10. 5 times 10 you need to add because 5 is on tens place. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. 4 times, 5 times 1 because 5 is on ones place as well as 5 is on tens place. So 5 times मैंने 10 को ऐड किया and 5 times मैंने 1 को ऐड किया, and that is your solution. You just need to identify the places and that times you need to add that number. यहाँ पे 1 time मैंने 100 को लिया because it once 1 is on 100 place, so only 1 time I add 100. Here 2 is on 100 place, that's why I add 2 times. 2 times 100 मैंने add किया, तब जाके वो क्या बनेगा? 200 बनेगा. Now talking about 55. 55 में on tens place 5 is only and ones place that is 5 only. You just need to repeat 10 for 5 times and repeat 1 for 5 times and you will get your answer. Okay, so this is the solutions for your textbook, that is on page number 24. Okay, thank you.